Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shelvi. My NPM is 112111351 Class B Management. Language is not made up of words. Numbers are also important to communication our thoughts. So today, we talk about some common English expressions that use numbers. Let's start with zero and the expression to zero in. Zeroing in means directing all of your attention on something or someone. We often say what that something is. For example, the defense lawyers were able to zero in on the testimony of an important witness and find problems with it. Her is another example. I know a woman who can zero in on the relationship problem and find a solution. This expression can also mean to take aim directly at something. For example, when taking a picture, a photographer might zero in on a subject. And it is the job of a quarterback in an American football game to zero in on a receiver, the player catching the ball.